In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales funnel on Getresponse. We're going to walk through a simple, streamlined process that takes you from a blank account to a fully functioning sales funnel that can sell your product and collect payments. I'll explain what you're doing at each step so it's easy to follow, even if this is your first time building a funnel. Once you're logged into your Getresponse account, start by going to the main navigation and finding the section labeled Tools. From there, select Conversion Funnel. This is where Getresponse keeps all the building blocks you need. On that screen, look for the option to create a new funnel and click Create Funnel. That opens up a guided setup that will follow from start to finish. Next, Getresponse will ask you to choose your goal. Since we want to sell a product and actually take payments, choose the option that says Sell a Product. You'll then see different funnel types. Select Full Sales Funnel. This gives you the complete sequence including pages and emails, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Before your funnel can accept money, you need a store connected. Click Create a Store. Give your store a clear, simple name that matches your brand or product so you recognize it later. After naming it, you'll connect a payment processor such as Stripe or PayPal. Follow the on-screen prompts from Getresponse and from your chosen payment platform to complete that connection. This is important because without it, people can see your offer but won't be able to pay you. With your store ready, it's time to add the product you want to sell. Click Add a Product, then type in your product name, a short description, and set the price. Make sure your currency and price are accurate and double-check any details like tax or subscription settings if they apply. When you're happy with everything, click Save. Your product is now ready to be placed into your funnel. Getresponse will show you a visual map of your funnel. This is like a flowchart of your customer's journey. Follow this map step by step to build your pages. Start with the sales page. Choose one of the pre-made templates, then customize the text, images, and branding so it matches your offer. Next, create your order form page. Again, pick a template and make sure your product, price, and payment options are correctly displayed. Finally, set up your confirmation page. This is where you thank the customer, confirm their purchase, and tell them what will happen next, such as checking their email. Inside the same funnel map, you'll see a place to add emails. Click Create Email to set up an automatic message that goes out after someone buys. This email can include a receipt, access instructions, download links, or next steps. Write a clear subject line, keep the content straightforward, and test the links before saving it. Once all your pages and your email are in place, review the entire funnel from start to finish. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your Getresponse sales funnel is now live and ready for traffic. From here, you can start sending visitors to your sales page and watch your funnel handle the selling and payment collection for you.